Robinhood Crypto Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume Robinhood is only for stock trading, but their crypto platform offers an easy entry into digital currencies for beginners and casual investors. Robinhood allows users to buy, sell, and track cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more, all within the same app used for stocks and ETFs. One standout feature is its simplicity: no complex wallets, no separate exchanges, and instant access to your portfolio. Most people assume crypto trading on apps is risky or confusing. The surprising truth is Robinhood simplifies transactions and provides real-time prices and portfolio tracking. Users can also set alerts and monitor trends without needing extensive technical knowledge. Another advantage is commission-free trading. Unlike many exchanges that charge fees per trade, Robinhood allows free crypto transactions, making it cost-effective for small trades or casual investors. However, there are some considerations. You don't actually own private keys on Robinhood, meaning you can't transfer crypto to an external wallet. Also, their crypto selection is limited compared to dedicated exchanges, and customer support can be slow during high-traffic periods. In conclusion, Robinhood Crypto is a solid choice for beginners who want a simple, integrated way to invest in digital currencies. While it may not satisfy advanced traders, it's convenient and user-friendly for casual investing. Subscribe for more honest crypto reviews before diving into your next investment.